Welcome to this video on Freelancing 101. If you're looking for a way to make money online, freelancing can be a great option. Freelancers work on a project-by-project basis for clients all over the world, offering services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and much more. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of freelancing, how to get started, and tips for success. What is freelancing? First, let's define what freelancing is. Freelancing is a way of working independently, without being tied to a specific employer or office. Freelancers are self-employed professionals who offer their services to clients on a project-by-project basis. This allows them to work on a flexible schedule, take on projects they're interested in, and work with clients all over the world. Freelancers can offer a wide range of services, including writing, graphic design, programming, web development, social media management, and much more. Getting started as a freelancer. If you're interested in freelancing, the first step is to determine what services you can offer. What skills do you have that could be valuable to clients? Do you have any professional experience in a particular field? Once you've identified your skills and services, it's time to create a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your work that showcases your skills and expertise. This can include writing samples, design projects, or examples of websites you've developed. Next, you'll need to create profiles on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru. These platforms allow freelancers to create a profile, set their rates, and start bidding on projects. When you're just starting out, it's a good idea to bid on smaller projects to build your reputation and gain experience. As you gain more clients and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and start bidding on larger projects. Tips for success as a freelancer. Now that you're set up as a freelancer, how can you ensure your success? Here are some tips to keep in mind. Set clear expectations with clients. Before starting a project, make sure you and the client are on the same page about deadlines, deliverables, and payment terms. Communicate regularly with clients. Frequent communication can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure the project is on track. Provide high-quality work. Your reputation as a freelancer will be built on the quality of your work. Make sure you're delivering your best work every time. Be responsive to feedback. If a client requests changes or has constructive criticism, take it seriously and make the necessary changes. Set realistic rates. Don't underprice yourself, but also don't overprice yourself. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging and set your rates accordingly. Keep learning and growing. The freelance world is constantly evolving, so it's important to keep learning and staying up to date on industry trends and best practices. Build relationships with clients. Repeat clients can be a great source of steady work, so it's important to build positive relationships with your clients. Conclusion. Freelancing can be a great way to make money online, but it does require hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow. By following these tips and staying focused on delivering high-quality work, you can build a successful freelance career. Remember, freelancing offers a lot of flexibility and the opportunity to work on projects you're passionate about. So, if you're ready to take the leap, start.